Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone's hotspot is active and you know the SSID and password. On your PC, open Start, go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Once there, select Mobile Hotspot and switch it on so Windows can broadcast. This starts the service and creates a Wi-Fi network. It's the essential first action because until the hotspot is enabled, nothing else can connect. Make sure the network name matches what you expect before moving on. Now you configure how Windows shares internet. First, pick the correct source in the Share My Internet Connection drop-down, Wi-Fi if your PC is using a phone tether or Ethernet for wired. Next, click Edit to set a recognizable SSID and a strong password so unauthorized users can't join. Use a mix of letters and numbers. Also check the network band if offered, and make sure the toggle for sharing is on. Once configured, your PC will advertise the network for your phone to join. To finish, open Wi-Fi on your phone, select the Windows SSID you created, and enter the password. You should connect and get internet. If it fails, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart the PC's Wi-Fi adapter or run Windows Network Troubleshooter to refresh settings. Make sure battery saver or data limit features aren't blocking tethering and verify your mobile plan allows hotspot use. If problems persist, a quick reboot of both devices often clears lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.